Hello, friends! Welcome to Poffy the Panda. Are you ready to have some fun and test your Christmas knowledge? In this game, you will see a picture to help you think. Then, you will see 3 choices. Take a moment to think, and then we will reveal the answer. There are 20 fun questions. Try your best and enjoy the game. All right, let's start the Christmas quiz. Question 1. What color is Santa's suit? Is it red? Is it blue? Or is it green? Think carefully. The answer is red. Santa wears a bright red suit. Great job! Question 2. What color is Rudolph's nose? Is it blue? Is it yellow? Or is it red? Think. The answer is red. Rudolph has a shiny red nose. Nice work! Question 3. Who helps Santa make toys? Is it a dog? Is it an elf? Or is it a cat? Think. The answer is elf. Elves help Santa make toys. Well done! Question 4. Who pulls Santa's sleigh? Is it a reindeer? Is it a lion? Or is it an elephant? Think. The answer is reindeer. Reindeer pull Santa's sleigh. Great thinking! Question 5. Where does Santa live? Is it the beach? Is it the desert? Or is it the North Pole? Think. The answer is the North Pole. Santa lives at the North Pole. Awesome! 1. You're doing great so far. Let's keep going. Question 6. What goes on top of the Christmas tree? Is it a shoe? Is it a star? Or is it an apple? Think. The answer is a star. A star goes on top of the tree. Nice job! Question 7. What is Santa's favorite snack? Is it cookies? Is it broccoli? Or is it pizza? Think. The answer is cookies. Santa loves cookies. Yummy! Question 8. What do we hang by the fire? Is it a shoe? Is it a hat? Or is it a stocking? Think. The answer is a stocking. We hang stockings by the fire. Great! Question 9. What falls from the sky at Christmas? Is it snow? Is it rain? Or is it sand? Think. The answer is snow. Snow falls from the sky. Wonderful! Question 10. What goes under the Christmas tree? Is it a trash can? Is it presents? Or is it a bathtub? Think. The answer is presents. Presents go under the tree. Amazing! 2. Wow, you're halfway done. Take a deep breath and let's continue. Question 11. Which candy is shaped like a hook? Is it a candy cane? Is it a lollipop? Or is it chocolate? Think. The answer is candy cane. Candy canes are shaped like hooks. Great job! Question 12. What do we build with snow? Is it a castle? Is it a snowman? Or is it a house? Think. The answer is snowman. We build snowmen with snow. Excellent! Question 13. Who says ho ho ho? Is it Frosty? Is it the Grinch? Or is it Santa? Think. The answer is Santa. Santa says, ho, ho, ho. Nice. Question 14. What do we decorate at Christmas? Is it a Christmas tree? Is it a cactus? Or is it a palm tree? Think. The answer is Christmas tree. We decorate the Christmas tree. Great thinking. Question 15. What does Santa ride in? Is it a car? Is it a sleigh? Or is it a bus? Think. The answer is sleigh. Santa rides in a sleigh. Awesome. 3. You're almost done. Let's finish strong. Question 16. Which month is Christmas in? Is it June? Is it August? Or is it December? Think. The answer is December. Christmas is in December. Great job. Question 17. What is the date of Christmas? Is it the 25th? Is it the 10th? Or is it the 31st? Think. The answer is the 25th. Christmas is on December 25th. Excellent. Question 18. What hat does Santa wear? Is it a crown? Is it a Santa hat? Or is it a helmet? Think. The answer is Santa hat. Santa wears a Santa hat. Nice. Question 19. What makes houses glow at Christmas? Is it Christmas lights? Is it a candle? Or is it a flashlight? Think. The answer is Christmas lights. Christmas lights make houses glow. Beautiful. Question 20. Final question. What cookie runs fast? Is it a gingerbread man? Is it a croissant? Or is it a donut? Think. The answer is gingerbread man. Run, run as fast as you can. Fantastic job! You did it! You finished the Christmas quiz. How many did you get right? Great job playing today. If you had fun, don't forget to subscribe for more games and quizzes. See you next time! Merry Christmas and goodbye!